Hello, I'm Mike Vekris. Thank you for being here. In this video, I would like to introduce you to a very simple and useful tool that our team has created that we think will help you organize your wedding. A fully automated and functional wedding budget calculator. Its philosophy is very simple. In fact, it's a spreadsheet file that you can open with your favorite spreadsheet editor. We have designed the calculator with two main features. First comes the planning of your budget before the wedding, so that you have an indication of the amounts you plan to invest in each category at all times. And the second is the actual amount you eventually spent in each category. First of all, you need to download the file, either by following the link you will find in the description of this video or directly from our website. There are two different versions available to be compatible with all versions of Microsoft Excel as well as other spreadsheet software. When you open the file, you will find on the left side the category balance sheet, while on the right there are all the possible expenses of your wedding divided into 10 main categories. You can also enter your wedding date in the relevant field so that the calculator will automatically calculate how many days you have to complete the rest of your wedding planning. Each expense group has three columns: the estimated cost, the actual cost, and the break-even. In the break-even column, the calculator will show you, after you enter the amount you eventually spent in each category, if they were above or below your budget. When the file is complete, the relevant chart will show you which expense category you spent the most money on. Don't forget that you can also print the file or save it to your computer for any future use. Thanks for watching and happy wedding planning!